The AI jobs replacement era in Ireland has begun. According to a major new report, artificial intelligence is starting to replace graduate jobs in Irish white-collar firms. The Morgan McKinley Irish Employment Monitor warns that Ireland may soon be following the UK, which has seen large accountancy and consulting companies slash graduate roles by up to 33% because of AI. It says that companies are increasingly automating routine tasks in accounting, credit control, and payroll operations, which are affecting junior and graduate roles. The warning comes after Ireland's 15-member AI Advisory Council recently told an Oireachtas committee that jobs were currently being replaced by AI in software engineering. Separately, a jobs report from the consulting firm Explio said that 2/3 of the companies it surveyed have stopped hiring for some types of jobs because AI can perform the tasks previously required. Explio also found that 3/4 of Irish companies surveyed have changed job candidate criteria due to AI now being a regular part of basic everyday work. A survey of 1,000 Irish employees by Deloitte this year showed that uncertainty around generative AI and its impact on future workforces is a worry in the Irish marketplace, with 60% expressing concern that AI will reduce the number of jobs available in the future. 46% meanwhile said they feared that AI will replace some of their roles in the workforce. However, the survey also showed that Irish employees remain positively disposed towards generative AI overall, with 2/3 saying it boosts their productivity at work.